Andrew Carnegie is a secret also. Okay. Carnegie believed that people perform better, far better. People perform far better under a spirit of approval than under a spirit of criticism. Okay. In case of approval, in the case of appreciation, the people are going to perform far better than in the case of criticism. He believed, Andrew Carnegie believed that he appreciate the employees publicly. He appreciate the employees publicly, privately, frequently. Everywhere he's going to appreciate employees. His respect for talented people was so great that even so just he's going to respect, appreciate the talented people like anything. That's why such a type of wonderful people at the part of his team, he became one of the richest person in the US. I remember that. Okay, his employee is getting $1 million wins. Can you please observe the owner situation? So always see only positive. Be positive. Always see only positive things and appreciate. Don't see the negatives. Highly recommended, dosto. Appreciate talented people. Great leaders celebrate. Great leaders celebrate. Great leaders celebrate others' strengths. Strong teams are built on trust. Remember, appreciation is going to work like anything, man. It's going to work. It's going to work like anything. Even in the case of bigger mistakes also. Ram, he told his example. Ram, are you there? In the last session, he told his
Yes, sir.
example. Yeah, what a wonderful. What the manager maturely, he didn't use one negative word also. Array, mistakes are common. Like 2.5 crores almost few years before means just a wrong transaction. Can you please imagine? It makes him. So otherwise, that small thing is enough to send you out from the company. But maturity, his manager, maybe he studied this book, it seems.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. Because, and he suggested many books, sir.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. Yeah. That's why that maturity level came. So make sure, man. Don't find faults. అసలు మనం ఎదుటోడి విషయంలో తప్పులు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి మనం ఎవరమయ్యా మన లైఫ్ మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వీఆర్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఫాల్స్ ఇన్ అదర్స్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ గుడ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ అండ్ బెటర్ టు